If you're facing a situation where your favorite site or any website you want to browse is blocked or censored in your specific country, then you've come to the right place. In this video, let us check out something different but really useful at the same time. One which will help you safely and privately browse the internet and open up any site. In today's world, it is getting increasingly harder to browse the internet without getting tracked and identified, that too without your knowledge. So the smartest thing to do to solve this issue is to use a virtual private network. With this, you can stay anonymous while getting access to blocked or censored sites, because the VPN allows you to hide your real IP address from every email or website you visit by giving you a temporary IP address. Another big advantage of a VPN is that it also protects you from hackers trying to hack into your devices using your real IP address. Here are some free VPNs you can try, like Proton VPN or Turbo VPN. They are actually free and do not need any payment to use, but do have some limitations. Like for example, the Proton VPN free version gives only one simultaneous VPN connection with slower speeds. The paid versions, of course, give more benefits like higher speeds and more simultaneous VPN connections. Now there are a number of great paid VPN providers, some with free trial periods like ExpressVPN, HideMyAss, CyberGhost or NordVPN, which are all well known. But apart from this, the best thing you can do to start enjoying completely anonymous and uninterrupted internet browsing is by downloading the new Opera browser, which has an inbuilt ad blocker and most importantly, a free and unlimited VPN, which we are interested in. You just need to go to settings and turn on the free VPN service. It may not be as secure as a standalone VPN provider, as it uses proxy to encrypt your data traffic and won't protect other browsers on your device. But the advantages are the convenience of use and the unlimited bandwidth it offers. So high speed won't be an issue, and all the sites which were not opening earlier now opens up like normal. Also, as a browser itself, it's pretty good and fast, and you won't find much of a difference in features when compared to other browsers. Definitely recommended.